Welcome, my name is Tecno Spark Go, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, we're gonna open up our standalone contacts application, which looks to not be located in the Google folder. So there we go. We have one right here. From there, we're gonna select settings, import or export contacts, allow, import contacts from our SIM card, so for me it's the middle one, to phone. This will then display all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. By default, you can just quickly select them all by clicking right here at the top. If you don't want all of them, you can deselect some of them and then click on Done. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your contacts list, you should see them right here. Now, because the phone is already pulling these contacts from your SIM card, it kind of duplicates them now, which is a little bit dumb, but oh well. Anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.